I played soccer competitively from the ages of 5 in my local recreational league until 20 when I played my final ever season in college. And I was part of the population that looked at running as a form of punishment or a form of conditioning for match fitness. And I never would have thought I would consider myself a runner. COVID was the biggest factor, but there was a culmination of other things that ended my competitive soccer career when it did. And so alongside this newly found void in my life, I wanted to fill it as an athlete would. And so the path of least resistance was running. So I succumbed to my pride and I took it up inconsistently for a couple of years. Until 2023, when I fully immersed myself in a training block for a sub 2 hour half marathon. Now, up until then, I had no idea about how to fuel, how to hydrate, and how to rest specifically for long distance running. I completely just went into it blindly and used the little that I had learned throughout my entire soccer career, which wasn't much, to be fair. And so I'm from Bakersfield, California, and the half marathon was early August 2023, and so I gave myself 16 weeks to prepare for it. So I trained in, at that point, the record hottest year that we've had in the city, and I completely bonked towards the end of it. I mean, I completely and utterly failed myself. I have no one to blame other than myself because I just didn't know what I was kind of getting into. And that went on for 2 summers, so 2023 and 2024. And so I finally succumbed again to my pride and sat down last fall, so September 2024. And I thought, okay, I need to research how to fuel, how to hydrate, and how to recover properly for this. And I need to do it over a winter training block to give my body a long period of time to acclimate to this sort of training. I also set for myself a more achievable goal. So instead of a sub 2 hour half marathon, I'm aiming for a sub 1 hour 10K. And that's happening in about 3 weeks, so March 30th. And yeah, like I said, I had been training for it since September, so that'll be about 6 months now, and I'm pretty optimistic. We'll see how it goes.